Okay, this is a continuation of my last video. Sorry, I ran out of space on my camera, so I wanted to just close. Let's start up the car and hear it from the inside. Let me press this red start button here. So this car has 63,000 miles on it. It's in excellent shape. I got all the maintenance records on it. It does not have navigation, but it's got everything else. Satellite radio, Bluetooth, all that stuff. I also added the reverse camera. So I'll show that to you. These cars in 2013 didn't automatically come with that unless you got the navigation system. It's a standard thing now. But I had this installed by the dealer. It is the Mopar reverse camera, you know, just like you would get stock. So many cars in 2013 didn't have it, but mine does, so it's upgraded. Let's hear that exhaust. Sounds pretty good. Just take one little look at the inside here. If you have any questions about the car, send me a note. The only reason I'm selling this car is because I ordered a new Challenger Scat Pack and shaker, and I just wanted a little more power, something a little bit different. And but this has been an excellent car, no trouble at all, super reliable, and a hoot to drive. And it definitely looks different. It's a car that'll stand out, and I like to think, I hope you agree, that the few mods that I've made are tastefully done and really look good on the car. It's just, everyone thinks that this is you know, it's got basically has the Hurst package on it, and a lot of people think that I took it to some major custom shop, which I didn't. You know, I just did a little bit at a time, and it turned out really well. I'm very happy with it. So that's my 2013 Dodge Charger RT. Thanks for watching.